This is before. Going to transport all these tools into a different box here. I'll show you in a minute. First off, I'm just showing you the mess that I have and how packed these drawers are. All wrenches in here. Big wrenches, scrapers, miscellaneous brake tools and such. Pliers. Hammers, chisels, drill bits. Screwdrivers. Pliers. Cutters. Screwdrivers, nut drivers, wrenches, some 3/8 drive miscellaneous, all the 1/4 inch drive, and the box is 1/4 inch drive. All 3/8 drive, all standard on this side, metric on this side, metric right across the front, and standard in the back. Ratchets. 1/2 inch drive, some big standard sockets here, Mac ratchet, all 1/2 inch ratchets and such. Miscellaneous 1/2 inch drive. Standard, metric. Air tools, chisels, cutters, impact wrenches, all sorts of stuff. Drill bit set. And more miscellaneous air tool, ball joint press, Cornwall socket set. Creeper. There's lots of tools that are not filled in the drawers already. Three-quarter inch drive. Huge 1/2 inch extension. This thing's 3 foot tall. So yeah, this is the current box I'm using. The Blue Point KRB series, top and bottom. Good box, I just don't have any room anymore. From that to this. It's a Snap-on KR1000 and the year is 1987. We'll do a quick measurement here from the back corner to the front. We got 28 inches, 29 with the side post there. From the end of the box there to here, 53 inches. And from the ground to the top of the box, we got 46 inches. I'll do a quick view of the inside here. Screwdrivers, pry bars, all that stuff before. Wrenches galore. All 3/8 drive. Pliers. Pullers, presses, brake tools, compression tools. Half-inch drive. indicator, timing light. Three-quarter inch drive. Chisels, punches, hammers. Air hammer bits, blowgun, drill. Quarter-inch drive. Miscellaneous. More miscellaneous. Top compartment here. Just a monster of a box. KR1000, Kenosha, Wisconsin, 87. Thanks for viewing.